Yeah, someone says I mean, like,
Jerry, we
your
didn't.
boobs look square after you're done when they do.
Oh, I'm telling you, it hurt me.
That's what they, yeah, I had a friend say that too.
Boy,
It
I
hurt.
just screamed. I mean, it hurt that bad. She just really got on me. I told my doctor, I said, don't you ever send me there. Before she went to kindergarten and while she was in kindergarten. I always remember those kids coming to stay with us like she did. I guess a lot of remember those growing up.
Jerry.
Hello. Hi, sweetheart.
Hey,
Remind me of Uncle
don't
Tom.
you get a sliver in you, pal.
Just be careful, honey.
You get a big old sliver in your leg.
Honey, you should get down. I'm serious.
I have a picture taken of Grandma and Stephen. That's all right. You can stay up there, and I'll stand right here by you, and we'll say, hi, Mommy.
Stephen, where are we?
At Ground Llamas.
We are?
Yeah.
Did it take a long time to get here?
Yes. Forever.
Forever and ever?
Yeah.
Are you glad to be here?
Yeah, I like pot too.
You do?
Just a lot.
What do you think of his truck?
It's nice.
How about his car in the shop?
It's nice too.
That's a Model A.
No way.
Model A.
That's right.
Okay,
Okay.
that's enough.
Mama, I want to say bye to you.
Oh, okay.
I say
Bye.
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 goodbye.
Get down. Come on. You're gonna get really big slivers on that fence.
Boy, that hurts too.
It's getting hot out here.
Yeah,
Now can I go play Sega because it's getting hot.
Sharon's falling.
Mom, can I go play Sega now?
Go see if the girls will give you a turn. Go watch him for a while, okay? It's Grandma's house. T and W. Forward. This is Grandma's house. Yard. And the neighbors. And there's Pa's truck. And we're gonna walk over here. There's Grandma. She's trying to hide from me. I see you.
I'm going to hide because I'm fat. Want me to sing a song for you?
Wait, yes, I gotta get you out of the garage though. It's okay.
Oh, you must have been a beautiful baby. You must have been a wonderful child when you were only starting to go to kindergarten. I'll bet you drove the other kids wild. And when it comes to win a blue ribbon, I'll bet you showed the other kids how. I can see the judge's eye as he handed you the prize. You must have made the cutest bow. Oh, you must have been a beautiful baby. 'Cause baby, look at you now.
All
Do you
right.
like Linda Ronstadt's old songs that she's singing?
Oh, she's a beautiful singer. She's just
What was-
sweet. I'm getting too old to sing.
I know. What's that one that she sings?
There's several that Roxanne and I, when she was here, she's really good at it. She's really good at singing.
Just don't put your hand in front of the lens.
Just look at me.
I'm just looking
You
at
remind me of
Grandma's
Uncle
yard.
Tom.
There's one that,
Well, she sings.
I don't know why, I love you like I do. I don't know why, I just do. I don't know why, you thrill me like you do. I don't know why, but you do. That's a little bit tight for me.
That's good.
My boss used to
A
sing.
good man is hard to find. You always get the other kind. Just when you think you got a pal, you look and see him fooling around some skinny gal. And you rave, you even crave to see him lying in his grave. Now listen, gals, take my advice. Love him in the morning, kiss him every night. Give him plenty loving, baby, treat him right. 'Cause a good man nowadays is hard to find.
That was how long ago?
Set him up, Joe. Oh, I know it. Oh my gosh, I'll tell you. She can, I'll tell you, that gal can really sing. But you know, she retired. She got real heavy.
Well, you know she has a disease.
Oh, she did?
She has a certain kind of disease that I'm not even sure what it's called. She has to be very careful.
Well, I know, anyway, she got real heavy and bloated. And,
Well, now she's doing Latin songs. I don't like the Latin
no, I don't either. But she decided to go back to Mexico or something. And she's got a house or something now in Mexico.
I love the old songs that she was singing. My ex-boss, no. Yeah, my ex-boss. In fact, he's over in Maryland now.
Excuse me, Roxy?
Yeah.
Get in there right away and tell Jared before he starts talking again.
Angie?
What, the fireplace?
Yeah.
I already knew that. I knew that last night. Oh, that's nice. Cute little kitty. It's big, Steven. What? It's big. You do know it's not real, right?
Angie, I'm sure.
Little cutie cutie. Nice little cutie cutie. Nice little Steven, Steven. I'm gonna finish my picture. Nice little Steven, Amanda, don't videotape us, please. Are you taping? Amanda, let go!
Yeah.
Tell me to tape. No!
Nope.
Oh, right in front of the camera. Good job, Jerry.
I didn't know.
I want to get your pretty room. Is that becoming a hassle?
What?
Is it a hassle what you're
I was
doing?
gonna put this on there for her, and then she don't have to screw it on, she plugs it on.
Okay.
And I'll just leave it on, it's on her cable, see?
Okay.
Dude? Dude. Show you how smart I am. Here's what to do. Okay. All right, now all you gotta do is just push that on, plug it on. You don't have to screw it on. Be sure that little thing's in the center. Get it? All right, when you put the other one back on, you plug it on the same way, see? What, you got another one here to screw on too? Huh?
And then I gotta plug this in. Wait, Amanda, wait.
You got another one to screw on to that?
Huh? That's all we have to do is the TV.
Then you have to put it on channel 3.
Yeah, and then I gotta plug this in.
And then you got to plug that adapter in or whatever. Is there an outlet close, Jerry, so she can plug that thing in?
There's one.
Oh. Okay, bring it over here.
wanna go further away or what?
I would go play Jurassic Park. And you're playing. What? I'm gonna play it over. Why? Play Jurassic Park. That's my favorite. No, we're not playing Jurassic Park. We can't really play it.
Okay?
Yep. Thank you. Start.
Now, Jerry, you gotta check this game out just for a minute.
Mom, just go out there and do it.
No, Paul says this is fine.
It's gonna be really loud. Pa, do we need some goggles?
Uh-huh.
Do we need goggles or anything?
Me?
No.
The girls.
Oh.
No, we don't. Look at Steven.
It's not really that noisy. We can take it, can we?
Yeah.
Us men can take it.
Get him some right now. Plug your ears.
Don't scream either.
Real hard.
It's all right. Don't worry about it.
Okay, Mom.
Shh.
Okay, pal, here we go.
Paul's gonna.
Walking on, bowl boys, here we go.
I was ringing inside.
Hi, Ange.
Are you taping?
Mm-hmm. Shh. Paul's on the phone.
How you doing?
Shh.
Of course not.
You guys are too close.
But the kids
Don't get me.
Paul's on the phone. Here, let me get Paul's old car.
Amanda. Okay. No, it's not here right now. She can back with
Don't you move that. My goodness.
That was Jennifer. Do you know Jennifer?
Yeah? No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Remember Jennifer?
Jennifer Joy?
Pretty girl. You remember her? She's coming down.
Jennifer is the brunette, the dark black hair. That's
Randy's boy.
Randy's girl.
Beautiful girl.
Yeah. Well, it's been.
Hey, you know,
Pa.
yeah.
Steven.
She really turned out to be nice kids. both of them. And it's Sean.
Pa.
Handsome boy.
Pa. Steven, don't get up there. It'll fall.
What'd you say?
What is that screw doing on the door?
The screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
So open the door.
Yeah. Careful, don't.
This is the pair of ice grips on this.
Hi, Steven.
I can get
You
in.
head right out through there.
Can we get in?
You want some more light?
Yeah.
Can we get in, please?
Whoop.
Sure.
Okay. We can get in.
Just stay, be careful, don't fall and hurt yourself.
Yeah, the metals might be sharp in certain areas. So be,
It's not sharp, but it just,
Go
it
sit
might
in the
slip off
back.
of
get in, Ange. Angie, go get in, hon.
Andy, come over here. I don't like it. I don't like them to fall. You won't. You won't. Oh, my head. Oh, boy. Oh, Aunt Roxy. I'm going to stand down here.
Be careful.
Andy, stand right here. Why do we need a stool to get up?
Pa, Jerry, is Randy still married to that school teacher?
Yeah. Yeah, they're doing good. He's got his own business.
We might have to
Good.
sit down. Let's sit right here. Don't sit on this. No, sit on. Sit on.
He's always been kind of,
You better make sure they're not going to bend anything or ruin anything. What are you doing?
yeah, don't get in the back there.
Okay, everybody look this way.
Say grease.
Grease. Grease.
Grease.
Grease. Grease. Grease. Grease. Grease.
Great. Okay.
Oh, look at Steve's new haircut.
North
No.
Carolina.
Leave the door open.
We're going back this month to North Carolina.
This is what you do.
That's what Grandma was saying.
And
Papa,
he
let's
couldn't
go
find the
down.
town of Whittier, North Carolina on the map. He wanted to know what city it was near, where it's near. I'll keep wanting to say Ashland. That's Asheville.
Right.
It's right near Asheville. They found that on the map, so now they're gonna see how close they can get there with Delta Line.
Wow.
That's what it is.
I would like a brown color of a
You don't know if it goes
George
in Asheville or not. It goes into Atlanta, and I think they're about the same distance from Atlanta, Georgia, as they are from Asheville, because they live way up in the corner of North Carolina.
Hmm.
I've been in Atlanta, but I've never been to
Papa,
North
let's
Carolina.
go down. Let's stay under it. We'll go down.
Stephen, it's not real steady, so you have to walk and move real slow.
Angie, come with us.
Real slowly.
I want to tell you guys something. You want to be awful careful like that right there. That'll fall on you.
Help!
Wait just a minute. Let me fix that.
Help! Help!
What's the matter?
Well, some of this stuff we got to do.
What happened, Steven? What's wrong? Want to get out?
Yeah, Steve.
Not by paw. But paw, he wants paw to get. No, just step right here. No. He wants paw to get down. I want paw.
You gotta screw that vise and the vise falls out and comes down and hits him on the foot.
Ugh.
He wants out, Pa.
Right.
My cousin. Paw, let me out.
Please.
Hey, Roxy. Oh. Don't pull on your shirt, Amanda. Amanda, don't pull on your shirt. Hey, Roxy.
Girls, that's enough. Come on. Steven's got the wheelbarrow. Steven, you need to go ask Pa if you can move the wheelbarrow around. Angie, I got it. Don't shut the door behind you because he's got air conditioning in there, so keep the door, open it and go in and then shut it.
No, my shoes, my shoes. Put your feet out.
Hi, Amanda.
Hi.
What cherries?
Andy, do you know your mom's jewelry? Steak in your not gonna get me.
He knows how to push it around. Can he push that old wheelbarrow around? Yeah, he loves wheelbarrows, Pa.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Wait, Mom. Pa said I could.
Steven, you like it here? Steve? Do you like it here?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
It's getting pretty hot out, isn't it, Amanda?
I wish we could go swimming today, but we can't.
Why?
Because everybody's still pooped from yesterday.
I'll,
What?
I don't know if your mom's gonna want to go down to the pool, but I'll take you guys down to the pool.
Mom will because she might do it tomorrow.
Don't you hurt her, Stephen, or I'll take it away. Pa says you have to be responsible with that. That means that
Put it away.
you can't hurt people and you can't bang things up. Okay?
Okay.
Don't! Stephen! Where'd he go?
Hey.
I asked you to be quiet. Oh, you got...
What are they doing? Mom, what are they doing?
Haven't you ever seen Paul smash his cans?
Blasted you? Did?
Oh, whoa.
All done.
Cool.
That's it.
Oh, yay! We got to see Papa smash the cans!
Here is all Pa's Snoopy stuff.
Look at all that stuff. She's got tons of it.
Can't believe
Look
he
at
has
this
so
one.
much.
That one, and this one, and then some way up here. Yeah?
Can I hold it?
Hi, what are you doing? Don't be too loud. Hold still.
I couldn't figure out where the lights were going to come.
Grandma, what are you doing? Are you cooking dinner?
I am going to slice the meat in a minute, but I'm going to ask your mother to do it because she's better at it than I am.
The roast.
Hello,
Roast is
people.
harder
Hi, Amanda.
It's me, Amanda. I just wanted to say hi, see how your family's doing. We're at Grandma Norma's right now, and we're having a very great time. Bye.
I just keep throwing the knives out to find more.
Did I look cute?
That's what I did earlier.
Okay. No, you take this right out.
We're making dinner.
Here comes Steven. Don't hit me, Steven, because I got the camcorder, honey.
Here, Mama.
Just put it right by my feet, sweetheart.
No, put it on.
What is it?
The feather.
Cool. Oh, yay. We're going to have fun today. We're at the Forebay. And what is Grandma and Greer doing? Are they eating? They're sitting. Oh, are you guys having fun? Oh, yay. Grandma?
Now wait a minute. Give me the camera. Let me picture you. Come on.
Oh, well, sure. Yeah?
What am I supposed to do?
Show up. There you go.
There you are.
There you go. There you go. Do their frontal. Okay. I got that. Oh, hold on. Okay, do it again.
Just take one of his.
Stephen. Andy. Stephen.
Hello, wave.
Whoops.
Wave.
Oh, don't yell in that thing, because then it just records really loud. Look at her. She's going like this.
Give me one of those little cups.
Keep it. You gotta turn it off now. Push the red button when you're not.
I did. On top.
You're done.
Would you please give me one of those little cups?
I'm getting there. Hang on. I just wanted to make sure that she was. Okay, now what's the battery saying now? What's it look like? Because I do have another one.
Which one is the battery?
Down in the far lower right. It shows a little battery.
It just shows part of it. See,
Okay, that means.
you have quite a bit left. Because that shows
No.
the whole battery is full up and it's gone, right? Or is that how much you have left?
No, that's how much I have left. The
Oh.
solid. But I can recharge it. I can recharge it, and I have another one with me. At home, I have to recharge
Let's just turn it off for now then. How you turn it?
Little green button on the top. Slide
you
it
don't
to off. Just push the green button down as you're turning it over you. Are you having fun, Steven?
Yeah. I like you here.
You do?
I hate you.
Hey,
Why did you say that?
that wasn't very nice at all. Tell Mom you're sorry. Don't get this camera wet. Don't even think about doing that, okay? Are you making mud pies? Are ya? Oh, yum, yum. Hey, what kind of car is that Jerry has at home? He hates this camera. It makes him so nervous. Steven. He's not going to talk to me. Talk to me. Quit wiggling your foot for a second. Because you're right in my view. I'm trying to get Grandma over there. Oh, shoot. Dang. You know, this thing, this lens, this focusing thing, it should hold still. I'm getting way in on Grandma. Batteries out. There's little Steven playing in the sand. Oh, shoot. Where's Aunt Greer? Where's Aunt Greer? She left. And Grandma's over here, sitting down, enjoying her leisurely day in the sunshine. I mean, not in the sunshine, in the shade.
In the shade of the old alder tree.
There's Greer and Amanda. Where's Angie? Oh, they're together. And they're having fun. Whoops, I can't hold this camera still. Look how dry those mountains are. It's kind of pretty, but it's really dry. Let's find out where Steven is. Where's Steven? Oh, no, not there. There he is. Hi, buddy. Steven. Steven, I love you. He's hard at work. The shovel, the containers in the sand. He's quiet. Not very often do you see Steven quiet. Ah, where are you going? You deserve this. You look great.
That water's cold. Go get Auntie Greer Diet Coke.
Grandma looks like she's having the time of her life. I wish I could hold this damn camera. Oh, sorry.
We go get Grandma and give me a Diet Coke,
Okay.
please. Okay.
Mr. Carman. Mr. Busybody.
Wait, and the one Uncle Tom has to sit on your shoulder. And it's so darn heavy. There.
Whoop, there she is. Don't you touch this camera. Where'd she go? Oh no.
Pressure white cold body next to your mom's.
No, not with this camera.
Go pressure cold.
Look at that skinny body.
Just like you. you go. Good boy. Come here. You get a kiss for that one. Come here.
Oh, dang it.
Come here. Come here. Oh, thank you. Is that your hole?
What?
Oh, your hole's over there.
Mom, camera.
Just pressure cold by.
And she's doing okay too with that?
Yeah, she's doing fine.
What's your husband's name?
Michael.
Michael, that's right.
He's a good guy.
The good guy.
He's a workaholic. But I guess we wouldn't have as much as we have if he didn't work as hard as he does, right? Yes, I do. It's not something I want to do for the rest of my life. It's just cash is all for now.
What do you do?
I clean houses for people. Sometimes it's on the, it's like averages like $15 an hour, which, you know, I don't have to pay any major bills. My husband doesn't give me any money, so
Do you have your own?
this is fine.
He doesn't give you any money
No,
to play with? Or?
no. Angie. Oh God, I'm talking about him and I'm recording. Honey, I love you. You're gonna be watching this and I love you. Okay, now let's get everybody. Oh,
Let's not get any of the flesh spots.
all right, I won't. Greer was doing the same thing.
How many towels can I use here to cover
Shouldn't you be practicing with a Hackensack or whatever it is?
hacky sack?
Joy and her father. And there's Fred.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Fred, say hi.
Hi, Michael. How are you? Don't want to have you worried or anything, but I'm in the inspection business. I'm going to come up and check some of your work one of these days. Make sure everything is okay. Kind of a sort of like a paid vacation, you know how those things go.
Yeah, right. He's a big bullshitter,
Come on
Mike.
down and visit with us. Now wait a minute. I'm not done yet.
I'm shy.
And there's Sean. I don't want to fall in the pool.
Yeah. And there's the sky.
Now, I'm way back with you guys. I got this, so I'm not right up on you guys.
Good.
Yeah, I'm back.
This is not how I always
This is
look.
Robin, who I've known for
I usually
years.
dry and have clothes on, but
And there's her son. There's Jennifer, Sean,
that's my niece and nephew.
niece and nephew. Robin's niece and nephew.
Towel on the ground there, wet.
Where did he go? There he is.
This is my partner,
There's
Margaret.
Robin's son.
Adam, is that towel wet?
Margaret Williams.
Okay, batteries. And this is their pretty little house in the woods. Isn't it pretty, honey? Look, they have a jacuzzi. Where is it? I'll zoom in on it. It's over there. That's what I want. Oh, yeah. There's everybody in. Nice yard. I get goofy when a camera's in front of me.
It's a little bit bigger than this, isn't it?
Roxy, how old are you?
32. Going on, I don't know.
Like big 3 and little 2?
Yeah, I guess. Oh, look, honey, a hammock.
Oh boy.
Look at the squirrels now.
Yeah. The seaweed that's hanging down from the hammock is what the squirrels did.
Okay, Grandma, get in your kitchen.
I want him to see his wagon. The wagon.
I will.
This wagon here is full of my recipe books. Come and take a picture of the wagon. Show what, you'll have to squat to show you what I've done to the wagon.
Look, Mike, there's your wagon that you made for Grandma. It's got all her, cookbooks in it.
Oh, shoot. I
What?
wanted to make that mock. I'll still do it. Cream cheesecake.
Oh,
cheesecake.
There's
I
Grandma.
have to do it tomorrow.
You know what, that?
It's a small kitchen.
Do it as fast.
No, don't put your hand over the front like that, Steven.
Cheesecake is.
How are you doing with your boy?
All pretty good.
Get paw.
Hey,
I'm not going to say it again.
no, I want to eat. I don't want to go there. No, hell, if I last long, I don't know. I like this long.
Are you kidding me?
No?
It's on HBO. There's no talking again.
What in there?
What?
I think I'll call it.
Another needle?
Yeah, sticking straight up in this cushion.
Well, I'll tell you, my house is getting dangerous with needles.
Between needles and fleas.
I've only seen one.
You know you have fleas in your house, Carla?
Angie and Steven. Amanda and Greer. Katie and Carl. Katie and Carl. On Grandma's bookshelf. And Amanda and Angie and Steven. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. And it's a big bookshelf. Something's on TV. And there's their little corner, just like ours. Oh, look at the pussycat. Grandma's picture. Oh, yay. Everyone be so excited.
I'm taking the couch.
Oh,
Now, girl,
there's Pa.
put that thing,
Hmm?
put that thing over there where you guys can use it. Don't put it around behind the,
It'll fall over.
don't put it there because I'll use it.
That's my fault. But I got it.
Why are you full?
What are you taping?
Just people. Just Greer and...
It looks like you're taping the couch.
No. There's little Stever. Steven, what are you eating? What are those? M&Ms? Cool.
You must be a ham. Who's watching us? You? You like those kind of movies? I didn't think anybody liked them.
What?
What is she thinking about?
So?
This is my sister.
Oh boy. I can
What a pain in the butt.
You call me a pig.
Go out, Papa. He is trying to.
Takes a minute to get it out of here.
Here they come.
We're not gonna break any speed limit records. Where you at it?
I'm over to your right, behind you. Here they come. That was the fastest ride you probably ever thought you'd have, huh?
Papa, you said the turn.
Huh?
You said the turn.
turned.
If we can't go any further, we'll have a wreck.
No, just go down.
We'll have a big wreck if I go any further. You ready to go back in?
Nope.
I'm gonna have to go back in pretty quick, because I'm getting hot. Can't take too long.
I'm gonna go around there.
I can't do it.
Why?
As far as I can go. Well, I got a big jump off here. We'd have a big wreck and turn it over if I went any further.
Papa,
What?
car.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna back in now.
Steven, don't.
Okay. End of tour.
I want to stay in the car.
No, that's it. That's the end of the ride. Okay. Wow.
Pa, it's okay if I just barely go under the car to get out. No.
Okay, I'm glad that's over.
Papa, put the wheel on. No.
Don't crawl on it.
We are.
Watch out, I'm gonna move it.
Oh, watch out, Steve.
Get out of the way.
Stay right here. Hi-yo!
Hey, that frame will come apart now. That frame will come apart, pal. I'm going to break that frame.
She won't even let me touch it.
Well, don't touch it then.
I can't. I'm just gonna show Amanda what car I want. Ow! Stop it. Ow!
Bye, Jerry.
I didn't know you were still out here. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Do I look like that cartoon? Hey.
Inside,
Not right this second.
please.
There's Jerry's car right there. And there's the one that Steven likes.
Now it's all.
Okay. And this is Grandma's backyard. Little barn. It's Jerry's shop. Oh no.